There's rain on its way, and they keep saying anything from 30 millimeters to 70 millimeters. What is that in inches? I think inches is 30 millimeters, I think is an inch, somewhere around there. And we can do with some rain. So later, if we have some thunderstorms and a bit of lightning and excitement like that, and tomorrow I may very well go into the mountain. I'm not going to go high up, and I'm just going to get a better spot. Just get a nice spot where I can try and take a video of some lightning, listen to the thunder, that kind of stuff. That's one thing I really miss down here at the coast. We used to regularly get it up in northern province when we were up there. Someone's just waving. Obviously knows me. I'm gonna see if I recognize the vehicle. I'll have a look. So yeah, stay tuned. I may start this video with a bit of lightning. It's supposed to start tonight, and why not take the dog while it's possible? Let him have his walk down the street here, and then start it with what's to come, what the video is supposed to be all about. And if I chicken out and I don't go into the mountain at all, then it's just going to be this: Milo for his walk and making his marks and all that kind of stuff, something different. He's just too small. He's not the kind of breed to take into the mountain, man. Can't do that. That's one of those things. So anyway, I'm going to take him right to the bottom of the street and then bring him back again. Check him later. Heading back to the mountain, getting back home. Yeah, we'll see what this thunder does. Could find that it only starts late tonight, and maybe even more likely only tomorrow. But one thing is for sure. Come now, please. One thing is for sure. If it is a good downpour and it's raining throughout the course of the day tomorrow, then I will most definitely go in the rain and go and check the streams. I'll go walking in the streams, go and check if there's some waterfalls or two, because we've done that before and it's worth it. They've fixed this piece of road here again for about the third time now. It's what we call werkskepping in South Africa. So yeah, clouds are gathering up. We'll see what happens. Bye bye. Like I said yesterday when I took my dog for a walk, I will try and go up in the mountain when there's some thunder and lightning and try and make a nice recording of it. Now, we never had any dramatic thunder and lightning. However, we have had, and we're still having, approximately 85 millimeters of rain. Still raining. We'll see what it climbs up to. So I thought I'd come down. It's now Saturday. I was hoping for some thunder and lightning last night, but nothing. However, this rain is very welcoming to us here. Now this is the stream, which is normally like 10 millimeters wide in drier times.